means.
Gotcha. Well, my broskies, I hope you enjoyed that video of me scaring the crap out of my family with the old air horn. Anyway, as you can see now, I finally learned how to edit my videos and make my videos stand out a bit more. So hopefully the next few videos you'll see that I'm finally learning how to edit my videos right and make them look a bit better instead of just pushing record and stop. Anyway, broskies, if you like what I do, don't forget to bash that like button, leave a comment down below, and like always, subscribe to my channel. Have a good one, everyone.